Hey and welcome to Bikerheadz. This is a video for the RUKKA Mars 2 glove. Okay, so RUKKA have finally replaced the long-standing RUKKA Mars glove. This is the RUKKA Mars 2, modern take on that classic. So it's a full leather glove. People are always after a full leather glove. If you look at gloves, quite often they've got soft shell panels, textile panels on. This is a full leather glove. So you're going to get all the protection you need, abrasion down the back, and of course the most important area, the palm area. So in protection, this is the most important part of any glove, and you've got full leather, which is the most abrasion resistant material we can use in a glove. It is a winter glove, Gore-Tex line, that's where your waterproofing is coming from. That's the most waterproof, most breathable lining you're going to get in a glove, so you know your hands are going to be dry in this product. It's windproof, of course, and it's got a fleece lining, so it feels absolutely fantastic, and the fit on this is absolutely brilliant. You're not going to find a better fitting winter glove. Loads of feel through the palm, even though it is a full winter glove. If I turn it over, you've got your wrist strap there. Wrist restraint's going to hold it on the event of an accident, and then you can tighten up the cuff if you're going underneath the jacket, right up so your jacket can run over the top of it. You can obviously open that up slightly, so if you are using a RUKKA jacket, you can slide that neoprene cuff between the two, and that's going to fit perfectly with any of the RUKKA jackets that have the storm cuff system on them. So that's the RUKKA Mars 2.0 glove. Any more information on this glove, go to bikerheadz.com. Like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.